I go share the toughest because the sweet is nice. So the toughest, I think, saying delivery of the baby. The first one be the first time where I don't ever deliver for my life, and after that delivery, I say waiting. Why woman they go through this kind of stress like this? And then it be like say the few stages before I even deliver my son, my husband been doze off. I can't look at him say, which kind of life is this one? Say you feel sleep me. I dare here. They go through all this. So
when I give birth to my child, my junior brother follow me sha. He say one posted, so Naim dey help the small. But the luck why I always get say my shop and my house are the same compound.
Oh, I see.
So they make it easy for me. So now just to take the children go school, so take the school wey still dey our street.
Okay,
so
now then
not too far from
not too far.
Even when we don't park, comot at least the SARS don dey primary 6 before park for that area. I just to drive go very early in the morning and before 7. I make sure say I leave the house before 7. Then when I drop the children, then straight to the shop. Then by 3:30 when I go pick them, I pack all the things wey I need to do for the remaining day. One thing wey tailor go be, be say you supposed to get one machine for house if you want meet up.
Nobody tell me how it go be. They just tell me say, you know they easy. You know they easy at all. Even if they tell me their own definition, you know they easy, different from my own, you know they easy.
So by the time they close for, don't go pick my children. Me, I don't close for the day for sure. And my guests will continue. I back my work, go house.
Okay.
Go do my cutting. Because I get to the soup for midday. Go do my cutting. Do the small one I fit do before. So as I do that one, I dey hand dey for kitchen. You know say the way we God take create woman, we can multitask. The way we talk about English. You fit do 3 things together. So that's why I do that.
When I first start, it hard for me. Family suffer because then I try to build the brand. Things they new to me. Social media, events, comedy, influencing. Family suffer small. Because get where I call rich, I call say, oh Bob. I call see that, I call Pam the son. She say, no, to succeed for this thing, no one need to suffer. I call bring out the balancing book, I call read down. I can't notice it to succeed, to balance everything together, make no one suffer. You need to prioritize.
So instead of using balance, that balance they make people they over pressurize themselves and they make them feel like say they know they achieve anything because then they take in more than what they feel deal with. So I go say make people just learn to prioritize what they feel do per time. And then as they get better and then get older, then go know which ones suppose they the front, take front stage, and then the ones will go come back after. And then like even children, so like my children now, as they're young now, I know say okay, now the time where I go day with them, make sure say I bring them up very well. And they're not go day young forever. That's all they go grow now. The young shall grow. So everything now just priority, no be balance. Maybe we no use balance. Balance they scare people and they make people they lose their minds. Maybe we just say prioritize waiting day important as time they go
on. Now community they raise pikin, but now it don't spoil. Now me you go see some catch children now they talk to the mama anyhow. The generation don't useless. Why? Because say that principle of community they trap pikin, don't they fade they go.
I think say when me I still dey young, if we say it take a village, then one proverb they will say it takes a village to train a child. Before about our own time when we dey young, yes, if it take a village, but now we waiting they go on and we waiting people they exposed to. They take any village anymore. If you get your own values where say you want instill on your child, where you want put for your child, make your child use that one, take waka, make it take grow, then make sure that those values you push to. And because everybody now they get different opinions. You hear some people will get extreme opinions about certain things or even ideology. So you don't want to make your child they confused. Make you they tell them say nah so it's supposed to be. Another person will tell them to say nah so it's supposed to be. Make the child no content to person we don't confuse. But I believe say for a home, the father and the mother now them get the primary responsibility to take care of that child and train them. And so that means that both of them must suppose join together, make them agree, say these are the things we both of us believe in, and these are the way we want to train that child.
Those days when our time, Naim the community training. because almost all of us, our hearts dey the same. That time if you sleep, you know we lock door. Thief no go come because we know ourselves. We know we be thief. If anything lost for you, you know we go point. But now, that's what the Bible talks say the heart of man is desperately wicked. Wickedness. Jay, if they with you for inside house, no train my pikin for me now. No agree. For this kind of generation now, I no agree. Leave my pikin how it dey. Let me train my pikin by myself because I don't know what's in your mind.
Now everybody go to say, don't judge me. If it makes you happy, then do it. Not before my ass. My children, they know. Not before my ass. I get driver, my pikin, they call my driver. Driver, they shout for my driver. You not fit try am. You go respect everybody accordingly. If it makes, so can't they'll post a kind video for some, so you'll see, post rubbish. You cannot call their name before they go say, I'm not, is he homophobic? I bet they call her. Person go right if he makes them happy. If he, one go say, hey, don't judge me. My brother, now your table dey ground, I won't judge you till you reach my turn.
These days, our children, they know they only listen to waiting we tell them. Now waiting they see us, they do. Now they listen to. So we ourselves as parents will be like book to children.
Most of this molestation will be see. Not be uncle and auntie will follow us.
Who know you do
you see person uncle and auntie, lesson teacher, when they call your house, come teach your pikin. They go molest your pikin. Or even the dad.
The way the words they go, nobody won't correct anybody. If it makes you happy, then it's fine. It's very wrong. I will never belong to that ideology. The truth, my children where they raised today, they know they must live their life well. To reach this level when I did now as mama, as sister, as citizen, as comedian, a lot of sacrifices, and I still they make sacrifice. This life now sacrifice. You need to sacrifice, you need to compromise, you need to put a lot of things into consideration to succeed.
I remember say one time I said that my son or so, you know they feel fine or something. I say the place where I'm supposed to go, I say I know they go because waiting they important that time for me to deal with my son at that time when you know they okay. So and naturally the thing about being a parent, we say you go make sacrifices where even yourself you know go be say you go make as long as you have as long as you get children you go make sacrifices. Now part of the package of being parents be that.
Because games a kind job, my pikin like this last house for they done on the 19th. I cancel one job.
Then even on my birthday when I wake up for morning, their dad bring my husband bring come meet me. Both of them come they sing happy birthday to you. You can't really just make me happy because you know they're younger now and then they appreciate, you know. Sometimes too my son go come in and go say I be the best mom in the world, but I know say my dad don't tell him, so you go come. But like those things then they're very important because a lot of the time they make so many sacrifices and sometimes they wonder if those sacrifices, if anybody they see them. So when your children they appreciate you at least for those sacrifices they make, they really warm your heart. The joys for me they're plenty. My son, anytime when we they go sleep, we get one routine where I go pray with them, then we go come read Psalm 23 together. So one day I did very tired, and in dad today very tired. Sometimes if I don't sleep, in dad go do am with am. But that day I say I say maybe we can't sleep. He say okay, we can't lie down one sleep. Next day say maybe we read. We read there. I say maybe we read Psalm 23. Say we no go pray today. Say I don't tire. I can't start. You can't say no. Say we go pray. I say no. Say I don't tire. You say we go pray. Can't they wait me? Now so we take pray first before we read them. So that will be problem for me because it can't make me realize say the little things that we do for our children, they go a long way and eventually it go make sense, you know. And then it did their head. So when there's even when you go say I beg no worry, then they remind you say this is not part of the thing we teach us. I think the second thing be. Just a few days ago, my birthday, I be a year older. Woo! And so I go pick my son for school, and in teacher can't say, my son, if your son tell me say today now your birthday, happy birthday, you are a wonderful mother or something like that. It really make me, and it be like say you know allowing teacher rest because as they come out, you can't say he tell me, I can't look and say what's it be your own like this. I think say depression no be stranger. Now even people wey no be parents, then they get phases where they deep depressed. Sometimes if you be say life no they go the way they want be, or if it be say then they face challenges where they no feel share with anybody. So gradually they go deep depressed.
What happened to me 2018 June 6, a very terrible thing, and the decision where I make to attempt suicide a very bad thing. That are because I never build capacity. That are because I never understand life well.
So I go say one of the things where they really help mothers be say make them find community of women like them, will be mothers too, where they go feel share how then they feel. Because
like most of the A-band.
Yes. Because a lot of the time the person they go through something, if you share with another mom, the mom too go confirm say that same thing don't happen to her before. So not be say your own case village people they follow you.
You no go feel like say you're alone.
No go be like saying your problem too much.
Problem not the finish. Problem not the finish. The one where you feel say you get now, say na bad pass. The one where bad pass, that one where you get, they waiting for front. Even Bible talking now, tribulation must come. But go give you waiting. The grace to be matured. Now problem they make you matured. You don't understand. So if you listen to me now, you get one problem or the other. Because you don't tire for life. Because what go? Suicide is not the option.
Make people learn how to speak up. A lot of people know they like speak up. I don't know whether in our culture, but people always they feel say if they speak up, it go put them for more trouble. People go put them, they go viral or whatever. But they go feel speak up. Sometimes even speaking up, don't mean say you go throw all your business out there. But sometimes just picking up a little things where you know say they go on with and then share with people. Say this now what they go through. You go see a lot of people go feel come support you and all. And then spouses for women make them not just say feel like saying their problem like their own problem. Then they say a problem shared is a problem half solved. Yeah. At least if you share them with your husband, you go feel see okay how you go feel help you one way or the other make your life better. So I feel say the sharing culture they really go a long way. Another good thing where they really work for me because this depression when you talk maybe my own not be depression but earlier for my son when I did pregnant and when he just come I did very stressed out and overwhelmed. I still get moments where I get overwhelmed even now. There are days where I go wake up and I go just to say the stress too much. I dey learn to pray or I dey listen to songs where I know say I really like. So it go boost my mood. Then I go say, okay, I don't dey ready now to conquer the world again.
Gather mind, build capacity, understand life. Say it's not easy. Life must train you, and all those problems where you get, now it go train you. Life sometimes go give you buffet, especially when they're not born you with street light. Your street not get street light. It go fit give you raw material when you cook your own food. That process of cooking, if you by mistake cut your hand, onions fit enter your eye, but now the process be that. So I beg, if you dey the verge of giving up, my brother, my sister, come on your hand. If they tell me that time, say I go be rewarded pikin today, if you say I go attempt suicide, I'm not trying now. Why? Because my eye not clear reach to see where God they carry me they go. They will never break na many pass. I beg, come on your mind for that thing.
The sweetest now seeing how your children they grow, seeing the bond where they get with you, teaching them a lot of things. My daughter now, anytime where she they hear me sing, she not 2 years old she be. Once she they hear me sing, she go they home waiting she they hear me they sing. So now these days I they teach them some of the songs where they sing now, and sometimes we go they sing them together.
Wow.
And they beautiful. Although she not fit pronounce most of things here, but she they hum them. So it did really beautiful. My son a very, very sweet person. If he tell you, I love you a number of times, if he just wake up for morning, come hug you and say I love you, and that it touch me every time. I tell him say this one I love child because it just really did very sweet naturally, and that they make me very happy because na person way care genuinely for person. The person I yesterday or so I mean they do something for kitchen or so, and then something for. And then he just rush come to the kitchen say what happened, and that's what he did. What happened? I say something fell down, and he say be careful mommy, don't let that happen again, cover it or something. He really touched me because I just look and say 4-year-old waiting but like just they hear them, they show you love at that age. They always make me happy, and then every time I look I will say in Jesus name you will not stop showing me love in Jesus name. So
I dey shock I dey see many. Matter of fact, that Stella, that my pikin so, she not get phone, she not get social media. The Abia Vengeance when I open for the 3 children, I employ person Susan with the Adola to help them they create. And if the content where they create service, it's na educational content, not be the content. You really children like content, For that class, many people go they say, we are following your mom, we see you. I say, how old are they? Funny enough, Stella senior all of them for the class. She's 16. She's seen all of them because she not quick at school. When they bring Stella, God give me that. She don't already too matured but she need to start from scratch. So everybody for a class is senior. The small children they get phone. They will chat for social media. And that place, social media can either make you or mar you. So I would say what made their mama allow them get phone. It's a very bad thing. Even we as adults, we get away to the influence us.
But I feel say because of the world where they live now, make parents do everything where their feet do to protect their children. Because when you put your children for social media, you expose them to horrible people. There are a lot of people where they get different agendas and all of that. Of course, there are children where they come online to be brand ambassadors and all of that. But I go suggest say make the parents make sure say them be the ones will be the protector, the support, and the manager and everything for that child to monitor everything, because they're going to get DMs from strangers where no gets pure intentions.
We never feel build capacity to handle the pressure where they come with the social media. They give your small pikin phone, say now wokeness. Which kind of wokeness? Stella herself cannot even try it. They know. The way I raise my children is not the way it work. I'm not woke. I'm dogged. I'm not woke. I don't joke with my children. What do they do with phone? They do Snapchat. They come out, wear crop what? Stella cannot wear, what if they crop? When she has to wear crop top.
I no go advise any parent just go put out their child like that. Make sure say then they solidly around that child, and then they take care of that child. They no go allow us that they form I be manager, I be publicist, I be this one, I be that one. And for me, where I start young, I know say my parents no allow anybody come into the picture. Now them be manager, now them be costumer, now them be everything. So if I even get friends, my parents go vet the friends to know who be my friend and waiting be the connection and all of that.
They are they get television, smart TV for their room. But their smart TV, anything they watch, they watch. They get iPad, it's connected to my listing. No SIM card. There's something called Kiddies YouTube. There's something called PG, the kind of film that they watch. Sometimes I don't know whether Stella one day go watch one Korean film. Now my pikin come back one day. I've never even come out from moto. Mommy, Stella watch film that is not age appropriate. I want to kiss Stella that day. Then they report themselves. Stella, Uncle Efe was watching film in the parlor. Stella was going to the kitchen. She now stopped and watching film that Uncle Efe is watching. The Uncle Efe said, now tell her, say, you go come up from my house. Watch with your phone. No one see you from my parlor.
I think say submission take two people to submit for marriage. A marriage where now only the woman they submit na suffer head, because now she go they do the submitting while the man go they do the dominating. So we don't need that kind of thing for like marriage. If I go submit, make my husband to submit, or make it be say both of us will they submit, so that the marriage go sweet and then our children go enjoy them, because children are be the reflection of what then they see for marriage. So I don't want to submit, make my husband they tell me say why you go submit. No, you know if you work that way. And for company to work, everybody get the same ideology and the same goal. That's what marriage is supposed to be. As the same goal where I get, I make my husband to get. So submission take now husband and wife go submit, and as both of them they submit, then go they make sacrifices for each other, because I love you no mean say make I kill myself. I love you mean say make I do you right, make you self you do me right. So first, and then if situation where the man no they submit, now then women go come they say this man no submit, then they go come they show the worst side of them. But if the man submits, the home goes sweet and everything will do okay.